Are we standing on the edge of a new golden age, or the start of something we can't control? Artificial intelligence is changing everything, how we work, think, and even dream. But here's the question. Should we embrace it completely or keep one hand on the brake? Today, we'll explore both sides. The amazing opportunities AI offers and the real dangers of trusting it too much. Let's start with the positives, and there are many. AI is revolutionizing medicine, catching diseases earlier and saving lives. It's helping us grow more food with fewer resources, cut energy waste, and even predict climate patterns before disasters strike. I remember the first time I used an AI tool to plan out a complex project. What would have taken me days was ready in under an hour. But with great power comes real risk. AI learns from us, and that means it inherits our mistakes, our biases, and sometimes our worst impulses. It can spread misinformation faster than truth and make decisions we don't fully understand. The answer isn't rejecting AI, it's learning how to work with it. Treat it like a powerful tool, not a trusted friend. Double-check what it tells you. Use it to boost your creativity, not replace your thinking. AI is here to stay, and how we use it will define the next generation. Embrace it, explore it, but never stop questioning it. If you found this thought-provoking, hit like, subscribe, and become part of our growing family of curious minds. Together, we'll navigate the future, one smart decision at a time.